Friend, this is my fourth review of this series of five videos of a series of getting a plus grade in every subject. This is my fourth video, and in this video, my topic will be how to focus. Why cannot I focus on my study? Why I can't focus on my study? I am so excited to talk about this video because this is the most important video of all the series. All the previous three one also important, but today video is also too much important. You have to watch it properly. Don't worry about the PPT. I will provide it in the description. If you want, you can comment about the PPT. I will also provide this too. And I will guide you properly through PPT using my laptop in this video. I will properly guide you guys using my PPT. So all you have to do is to like this video and let's jump into the video.
Okay, let's jump into the next video. Guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we will talk about why you can't focus. Okay, sorry guys about this. I wrote there 2024. It's actually 2026 now. I wrote it by mistake, which is by my mistake. Okay, I'm sorry for this, guys. Don't mind it. In this video, I will tell you why you can't focus. Why you can't focus on your study. Why cannot you focus on your study? A science back and guide to reclaim your attention. Okay, the first thing is what inside the attention crisis. Why your brain had focus. Science backend fixes. When focus is bigger problem. Okay, let's jump into the first one, the attention crisis. How the digital world hijack your focus and what it is costing you. Okay, first thing, first. Okay, I don't talk about this one. Okay, let's talk about like a notification scroll. This is like taking your time, the trigger dopamine hit. The average person checks their phone 96 times daily. Average person 96 times. Like if you check your phone just for a minute, like for 10 minutes, you are checking too much long. Like if you check your minute average for just 10 minutes, like 2 minutes, you are still wasting your few hours of your day. This is what this is what you are doing right now. Up. Okay, let's talk about the next one. The 8-second attention span ADHD normal. The golden fish attention span. The golden fish 96 man debunked. But the reality isn't much bigger. How to tell the difference? Normal distraction. You can refocus when motivated. It doesn't impair your daily life. ADHD. Distraction is involuntary, present and impair work, relationship, and self-care, key testing. Okay, let's jump into the second one because the video is getting too long and everyone is of you guys is complaining why your videos are too long and you are delivering too less information to us. Your information is good, but you are delivering less information. Why are you are doing this? Why your brain hates focus? Why your brain hates focus? Like your brain literally hates your focus. The neuroscience behind your wandering mind and why willpower alone isn't enough. Like your willpower alone is not enough because your will is not do anything against it. All you have to do is to multitasking is a myth, the difficult mode network. This is the topic of my first video. I'm talking to you guys. You have to do it properly. Don't do multitasking. It's It is decreasing your study time, your mind, your memory, everything. You don't need to multitask. You task switches stand for studies. Show chronic multitasker. Perform roles on memory tasks. Like they have studied like people. They are studying people like some people who is doing multitasking and some people who is doing one tasking at a time. Those who did multitasking, their memory was worse one. Like they studied too less. And the people who did one task at a time, did very well. Their memory was very boosting. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Next slide, please. Sleep depression and the Ziegering, what that is called, I don't know, but this is my favorite effect. 4 hours sleep, zero focus. Like sleep repaired in part the prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO by up to 50%. This is your half brain. Every 17-hour without sleep equal to the blood alcohol level of 0.05%. Like like you if you didn't sleep 17 hour without sleep, your blood will increase this time. Without required rest, your brain cannot sustain attention filter generation a few new memories effectively. This is what you are doing. Let's jump into the next slide. Science beacon fixes particularly strategize to return your brain from a deep sustained focus. Okay, let's jump into the what it's saying. Okay, okay. This one, the 2020 rule: 20 minutes steady, 20 minutes feet away, 20 seconds. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Reduce digital eyes DCES by 78% and give your brain a micro reset. Such time your eyes and focus will thank you. Single tasking and Pomodoro technique, 20 minute focus study, and this is also I told you this also in my first lecture. 20-minute focus study and 5-minute break rest. Okay, let's jump into the next one. This is you have to study it by yourself. Study it by yourself. I'll jump into the next and last topic because the video is getting too much higher. When focus is bigger problem. When is focus the bigger problem? Understand when this distraction signal sometime deeper and how to find your flow. Okay, let's jump into it. ADHD and focus for those who with ADHD simultaneously medication by work increasing dopamine and neuropilin and for perfection of cortex. This gives you the brain the chemical need to focus. It's not scratches or correcting a neurochemical imbalance. Important if you suspect ADHD, consult a professional. Self-diagnose is undeniable. This is for you guys. Anxiety and racing thoughts. Anxiety hijack focus by flooding your brain with what if. These what if literally eat many people dreams. Like what if this happened? What if this happened? Your brain is making this and that. Focus on one thing. Don't let the you think of get the think of what if this happened. Don't hold back. Like if we want to study, do it. Don't think what if your parent do this or this. The flow check hack. Follow required three controls. Your goals should be clear. Like literally, guys, I told you your goal should be clear. Immediate feedback. Challenge matchmake your skill level. Okay, let's jump on the list. Reclaim your attention. Okay, I think guys this is I have to close my this video. Okay,